Hey, what's up, folks? YouTube. Welcome to Markus Knows How. Have you got a broken fan and your knob came off and you just don't want to turn your fan on no more because, I don't know, it's getting too old and you use it one too many times? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that real quick with a quick fix. All you need is to get yourself a hot glue gun, and we're going to fill this little hole up. We're not going to fill it up all the way. We're just going to kind of go halfway with it. Make sure your dial is on 0. We're going to place that baby on there like that and let her dry. And you got your fan fixed. And I'll show you that once it dries. And now, folks, the moment we all been waiting for. We have a knob again. You're welcome.